Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like.
You like these? Like this one? All right, so we're gonna get this because it's somebody's birthday coming up. It says happy birthday. Yes. Let's see how much it is. It is $14.99. I don't know if you can see it. $14.99. Look, here go another one. This is it right here. See? A whole bunch of them. Look. What? Oh, this is for graduation. It's for graduation. All right, here you go. No, move the cart back. Yay! Don't let it go. Nice. You can hook it to in here. Like this. All right. You like it? Woo! Woohoo! Okay, y'all could go ahead. This is nice. So I got her this. Look at how gorgeous these roses are. Oh my goodness. $12.99. Oh. Ooh. I love me some roses. Yes. Look at this. This is nice. I love all the yellow. Same price as the balloon. Okay. Let's go get some cakes. Oh, this one is pretty too. That one is better. Look. You got this one. Throw it in there. Hey! Come on, Kitten. That's so pretty. Look at this thing. Look at that one.
See that? We're on my cake.
You like this?
Yeah.
Chocolate and vanilla. Say happy birthday.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, we'll get it.
Try our tasty chicken from our in-store deli. Whether you like it fried,
Which
grilled,
one?
or roasted, we have it hot and ready.
What color you want? Gold or red? You get it? Alright. Okay.
This security system was installed for the safety of our customers and associates. Thank you for shopping.
Wow. That was loud. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nova. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Woo! You made it win. I gotta eat the cake. Where's your fork? I gave you a fork. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Turn around. Do a spin. Happy birthday, dear Nova. Happy birthday to you. Okay, guys, are y'all enjoying the video so far? Oh, let me know in the comment section because I love reading all your comments. But this pork henty is so adorable. Okay, look at me. I'm such a big kid, but we had the best time at this park. Scavenger hunt, everything. And they have amazing, yes, I said it, amazing farm. Yeah. Greenhouse. Yeah. Plants. Yeah. Trees. Yeah. So you already know your girl was on cloud 9. So I love it. But thank y'all so much for watching and always subscribing, always showing love, and you be just being awesome. Thank you. I just want to let you know that I appreciate you. So I am going to have some more cooking videos, some more juicing videos coming after this. So you're not going to see a lot of going outside and all of that, and the school year is ending, so you already know your girl's a single mommy and I have things to do, so I'm not gonna be always on here showing you all my business like I do, but I know I had to let you know. But I'm gonna be doing some juicing and some videos where you're not gonna see me physically, and there's a lot of changes going on in my life right now, so I'm not gonna be as available as I used to be. Yes, so be expecting 2 videos a week, maybe 3, and a short every day. Do y'all like my motivational shorts? Love it. Yes. So it's a lot of healing. My healing journey is still going. It is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So if you healing from something, I send you light and love, sending you a lot of healing energy because it's hard. Okay, especially when you're trying to do it by yourself. Well, you already know you have God, but we're talking about a physical person. So, anywho, enough of that. I'm gonna let y'all get back to hey guys, y'all say hi to me. Oh, they talking to you. That was so cute. That was so in sync. So, I'll let y'all get back to the video, and I'm gonna get some good music for you guys. Hey, my green thumb. Look at this. Gorgeous. Y'all see this? I don't know what it is. Can y'all tell me? What is this? Wow. Gorgeous. So beautiful. So pretty. Okay, so this is the chlorophyll, and you could also drink it because, bless you, because I basically put it, it's an internal deodorizer, and you could also put it in your plants. So you just do 2 tablespoons in your water bottle in an 8-ounce glass. That's what this is. This is how it looks, and it tastes like minty. It's a subtle minty thing. It's on Amazon for. So I'm gonna put this dirt in here. You can see it. 1653. It's growing, and this has roots, as you can see, so it's fresh, fertile soil. I already put the chlorophyll in it, and then I'm gonna make it. When it grows again, I'll put it in another one, but a bigger pot, like an actual pot. This is just plastic, but I'm gonna get a tray for the bottom.